In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set quote expiry dates in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a default time frame that controls how long your customer quotes remain valid, helping you protect your pricing and keep your sales process clear and consistent. First, log into Xero. Use your usual secure sign-in and make sure you have access to organization settings. If you're part of a team, you may need the right permissions to adjust invoice and quote defaults. Once you're in, head to the Sales area. This is your central hub for sales documents like invoices and quotes. From there, select Invoices. Even though we're configuring quote settings, the option we need lives under invoice settings in this workflow. Open any invoice you have handy. It can be a draft or a posted invoice. You're not changing the invoice itself, just using it as a path to the settings we need. On the invoice screen, look for the More Options menu, which appears as 3 dots. Click that to reveal additional actions. From the menu that opens, choose Invoice Settings. This takes you to the configuration area where you can manage defaults that affect how your sales documents behave. Next, click Default Settings. This section controls the baseline preferences that Xero applies automatically when you create new documents. Scroll down until you find the Quote Expiry Date section. Here's where you'll set how long quotes should stay valid by default. You'll typically see options to define a standard time frame, such as a certain number of days from the quote date, and sometimes a place to include default wording that lets customers know when a quote will expire. Set a period that matches your sales cycle. For example, shorter expiries can help you manage fast-moving prices or limited inventory, while longer periods may suit projects with lengthy decision times. The key is to choose a window that balances customer convenience with your need to keep pricing and availability accurate. Take a moment to review your quote expiry preferences before you finalize them. Think about seasonality, supplier lead times, and your team's follow-up cadence. Clear, consistent settings reduce confusion, prevent outdated pricing from lingering, and create a natural prompt for customers to act. When you're happy, click Save. From now on, every new quote you create will inherit this default expiry, and you can still override it on individual quotes when needed. That's it. You've set default quote expiry dates in Xero, giving your business a reliable way to communicate validity and keep deals moving. Thanks for watching, and happy quoting.